talk that talk? Can you talk that talk? Can you talk that talk? Can you talk that talk? Can't talk that talk cause he chose a G and let your work ass walk. I need a girl who can talk that talk. Matter of fact, need two, like I'm trying to build an arc and then I get them girls shaking like Parkinson's. I pull up to the spot and I park the Benz and hop out. Remember when they used to hate, I'm hot now. So any girl I choose today got a top down, tie ties out, no tan lines in my ties. Have. So if you gon' live, better live it up. I used to have the blonde chick with the big butt, and now I keep a light skin. She ain't thinking, but she made me come quicker than some lightning. And she can talk that talk. She know the money speaking, the bullshit walk. Gotta watch out for the rats when I step out on the promenade, cause once they hear my rap, then they treat me like some kind of god. Now let me flip modes like Buster. I'm looking for a bust down. No, I'm not Usher, so I don't care if she mine or mine. I'm just looking for a dime and we find on time. And go straight for the dome, no chit chat. Keep a mouth shut, say the